Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, I will show you how to customize this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So basically let's start with opening the settings, and that was of course a misclick. And in the settings we have to find the display option. Let's tap. And as you can see on the fourth position we've got the night light option, so let's enter, which is basically the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So in order to actually be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's do it just by tapping on the switcher at the very top, and I hope that you can see the changes. Basically, I think I will turn off the dark mode, so you will be able to see the difference. So as you can see, this is how it looks without the eye comfort mode on. And after tapping on this option, you can turn it on. So you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So here, just by using the switcher, you can adjust the eye care effect. So by going to the left, you can make it much cooler, and to the right, much warmer. What's more, you can enable this option regularly, so you can schedule it. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, you will be able to pick the time period. So let's tap on it. We can choose from sunset to sunrise, and it basically means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. So it will simply turn it on and off automatically, but you can custom the period, so you can freely pick the start time and end time. So here you can pick something like that, and here you can pick something like maybe that. Tap on OK. And as you can see, the period has been set, but the screen is just got back to its normal state. It is of course because we are not between the start and end time. But let me turn it off and keep it turned on manually. So basically this is the whole customization of the night light or eye comfort mode. And now we can go back, and I can show you much faster access to this feature. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully. And here we have to find the icon, eye comfort mode, eye care mode. So basically, of course, it is now turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen will immediately go back to its normal state. You can turn it on the same way. What's more, if you cannot find for some reason the eye care icon here, just tap on custom, and you will be able to find it here in more switches. So actually this is it. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.